Question 27 from exercise 4b. Solve the inequation minus 2.5 plus 2x less than or equal to 4x by 5 less than or equal to 4 by 3 plus 2x. X belongs to whole numbers. Graph the solution set on the number line. First part of this inequation is this one. That is minus 2.5 plus 2x less than or equal to 4x by 5. And the second part, second inequation starts from here, 4x by 5 less than or equal to 4 by 3 plus 2x. Let us solve these inequations. Minus 2.5 can be written as 2 2's are 4, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 by 2 plus 2x less than or equal to 4x by 5. Okay, let us write 2x and 4x by 5 to the left side. So it changes to minus 4x by 5 less than or equal to, you can write this minus 5 by 2 to the right side as plus 5 by 2. Okay, now take the LCM. We can cross this. 2 5's are 10. 10x minus 4 into 1, 4x by 5 less than or equal to 5 by 2. 10x minus 4x is 6x by 5 less than or equal to 5 by 2. We need x only. So x less than or equal to 5 by 2. This 5 is divided here, so we can multiply that. This 6 is multiplied here, so we can divide to the right side. Okay. That is x less than or equal to 25 by 12. That is x less than or equal to, in writing in mixed fraction, 2 12's are 24, 2 1 by 12. Okay, this is the first part. Now the second portion, 4x by 5 less than or equal to 4 by 3 plus 2x. We can write 4x by 5 to the right side, 2x also on the right side, 2x minus 4x by 5, and we can write this 4 by 3 to the left side as negative 4 by 3. That is, cross multiply or take the LCM, 10x minus 4x by 5 is equal to negative 4 by 3. Negative 4 by 3 into 5, we can write that divided by 5 to the left side as multiplied by 5 less than or equal to 6x. Minus 20 by 3 less than or equal to 6x. Or you can write the 6 to left side as divided by 6, negative 20 by 3 into 1 by 6 gives less than or equal to x. We can cancel out this 20 and 6, 3 2's are 6 and 10 2's are 20. So negative 10 by 9 less than or equal to x. Or you can write negative 1 by 9 less than or equal to x. Thus we got the lower limit also. Upper limit already calculated and the lower limit now we obtained. Okay, let us write this together. How can we write this together? Negative 1 by 9 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 2 1 by 12. Okay, also it is given x belongs to all numbers. We have to take the solution set from whole numbers only. Can you say the solution set? we have the solution set like this. Whole numbers means we can list the numbers. Whole numbers start from 0. So we can't take the negative values. Start from minus 1 and 1 by 9, but we take 0, then 1, 2 is there, 2, 1 by 12 is there. So we can't take 3. So 0, 1, 2 is the solution. How can we graph the solution set on number line? Draw a number line and mark 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, etc. And use a dark spot to represent the values 0, 1 and 2. Understood? In this way we can solve this problem. Question 31. Solve the inequation and represent the solution set on number line. Minus 3 less than, minus half, minus 2x by 3 less than or equal to 5 by 6. Let us write in the splitted form. Minus 3 less than, minus half, minus 2x by 3. And minus half, minus 2x by 3 less than or equal to 5 by 6. Minus 3 plus half less than minus 2x by 3. Minus half in the left side like plus half. Then take the LCM. It's 2. So cross it. Minus 6 plus 1 by 2 less than minus 2x by 3. That is minus 5 by 2 less than minus 2x by 3. Or minus x, we can write on right side, and minus 5 by 2 into 3 by 2. We can multiply 3 to the left side and divide 2. We get minus 15 by 4 less than minus x. We need x only. So how can we write that x alone on one side? Yes, 15 by 4 greater than x. When we remove the negative sign from both sides, inequality reverses. Also 15 by 4 can be written as 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 greater than x. Now let us simplify the other part. Minus half minus 2x by 3 less than or equal to 5 by 6. That is minus 2x by 3 less than or equal to 5 by 6 plus half. We wrote the minus half to the right side as plus half. That is minus 2x by 3 less than or equal to, take the LCM, that is 6. So 5 plus 3 by 6. Minus 2x by 3 less than or equal to 8 by 6. And negative x less than or equal to 8 by 6 into 3 by 2. We can simplify that. 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So we got minus x less than or equal to 2. Or we can write x greater than or equal to minus 2. Okay, when we divide 2 by minus 1, we have to reverse the inequality. Now we can write them together. Lower limit is minus 2. Minus 2 less than or equal to x less than 3 by 4, which is the upper limit, and x belongs to real numbers. So how can we write the solution set? Yes, solution set is set x such that minus 2 less than or equal to x less than 3 by 4, x belongs to real numbers. Now let us graph the solution set. First you have to draw a number line, and you can see the lower limit is minus 2 less than or equal to x. So we have to use a dark spot, a darkened circle at a minus 2, and 3 by 4 is the upper limit. So we have to divide the portion between 3 and 4 into 4 equal parts. Okay, first part is 3 1 by 4, second part is 3 2 by 4, and third part is 3 by 4. Okay, now that is marked by hollow circle. At 3 by 4 we have to mark a hollow circle and shade the region from minus 2 to 3 by 4. X belongs to real numbers. That's why we shade the portion from -2 to 3 by 4. Okay. Question 32. Solve 4x minus 19 less than 3x by 5 minus 2 less than or equal to minus 2 by 5 plus x. We can write the inequations like 4x minus 19 less than 3x by 5 minus 2 and 3x by 5 minus 2 less than or equal to minus 2 by 5 plus x. I wrote 4x and 3x by 5 on one side and 19 and 2 on other side. So take the LCM. 4 5s are 20. 20x minus 3x by 5 less than 17. 19 and minus 2. 17. Now 17x by 5 less than 17 and x less than 17 into 5 by 17. We get x less than 5. Okay. Now let us solve the other part. 3x by 5 minus x less than or equal to minus 2 by 5 plus 2. We wrote the x values on left side and numbers on right side. Take the LCM. 3x minus 5x by 5 less than or equal to minus 2 plus 10 whole divided by 5. That is minus 2x less than or equal to 8. That is x greater than or equal to 8 by minus 2. Or you can write 8 by 5 into 5 by minus 2 also. 5 and 5 cancelled and 8 by minus 2 is minus 4. That is x greater than or equal to minus 4. Okay, thus we obtained the lower limit and upper limit. Let us write them together. That is minus 4 is the lower limit. So minus 4 less than or equal to x less than 5. And x belongs to real numbers. So how can we write the solution set? Yes. Solution set is set x such that minus 4 less than or equal to x less than 5. X belongs to real numbers. Now let us plot the graph. Solution set on number line. Draw the number line and mark 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. on one side and minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 on other side. We have to mark a dark circle at a minus 4 and hollow circle at a 5. Minus 4 to 5. We have to shade that region also, which is the required solution set on number line. Understood? Question 33, 34 and 35 are homework questions. Okay, do the questions. Thank you all. Have a nice day.